Sanibonani and welcome to Wisdom X Magaziwe. Imina ke ingane yamakhehla madala, amakhehla amakhulu, amakhehla amahle. If you're watching for the first time, siyawamukela. We are all about sharing wisdom, healing, and sharing light for the world to become better. On today's video, I want to speak about ingubo zikamoya. Ingubo lezi esiboniswa zona, ingubo mhlambe ophiwa yona. I just want to clarify this because of it's what I normally see kuma consultation with abantu abazayo for consultation. Majority of the people who come for consultation, it's people mhlambe abasafuna ukudiscover isithunywa sabo abangazi ukuthi how they should go about. But ngifuna ukukhuluma ngabantu abaphiwe ubuprofit. Ubuprofethi, and I want to speak to the people abaphiwe umthandazo njengoba nami ngiphiwe ini umthandazo. Nazi izinto engifuna ukuyikhanyisa. Siyaphiwa izingubo, lezi ngubo esiphiwa zona ezokuthi sikhuleke ngazo. Every time uma uyokhuleka, you use it, you show up with leyo ngubo leyo. I know izimo as fun, there may be events where you are invited or you don't have your clothes or ingubo zakho zakamoya ozisebenzisayo, but lezi ingubo zakamoya sizisebenzisa uma singena empini in the spirit, or whenever nje we are praying, we represent ourselves with these cloths, with these clothes. And kunalento ke ekhona yokuthi uma uboniswa ijazi, ispika and whatever, umnazaretha uyawuthatha mhlawumbe kumele uyogqokela emanzini or uyawuhlambulula. You know, into uyihlambulula if it belonged to someone. I just want to clarify that thing. If mina ngumakaziwe ngiphiwe isiphiwo sokukhuleka, and ngoba ngiphiwe isiphiwo sami sokukhuleka, ingilosi kanye nezithunywa kanye nezidalwa engihamba nazo umvele enqangi nayo uqobo lwakhe bangibonisa ukuthi because of you are this gifted person, nazi ingubo zakho okumele ukuthi ube nazo. We expect you to be wearing this and this and that. I'll just make an example of myself. The first vision I had when they were showing me what they need me to wear, before anyone else could tell me what should I have, they showed me I was wearing a white duke. I was wearing umnazaretha omhlophe. And I was walking there. I was walking labengi corner. And every time I saw myself praying for people in the spiritual realm, like in the spirit, I was just wearing all white. And I was like, oh, okay. At church, they confirmed it. A person who was a prophet when I was beginning, who was acting as a coach to me, confirmed it. So I was like, ngayibonela. So I will literally do it myself. But the mistake now, masebayibonile esontweni, they will say, hey, kuzomela ukuthi uhambe uyigqokela kuphi emanzini or uyoyibusisa or uyenzani. Eyami ingubo azange kuthiwa ngiyihlambulule ngoba wa eyami ingelosi yami ipure, iclean, iskuni, eyami le ngelosi engiphiwe yona. Kodwa mase kuzothiwa ukugcoka isiphika mhlawumbe kunesalukwazi esiqhamukayo kwena bathi sithi phakamisa lesi siphika, phakamisa leli thusi, you feel the reason ukuthi uyoyihlanjulula lezi zinto because of bekweyezomunye umuntu. It's like a traditional person or umuntu oyothwasa mhlawumbe ophiwe isikhwama bese bathi moso usithola leso sikhwama kuzomela ukuthi uhambe uyosihlambulula, uhlambulule bese ke uyasebenzisa kahle. So when it comes to your garments, ingubo zakho zokukhuleka, akusi ingubo zakho zonke kumele ukuthi uhambe uyozihlambulula. You really need to find out ukuthi okay, lesiphika esam uqobo lwami or kunesalukwazi esiphakamisa lesi siphika, and whether isalukwazi, whether ikhehla esiphakamisa leyiphika or amajazi, is it necessary kuyovela uma kumele uyoyigqokela kuphi emanzini. And if ukungamelanga uyigqokele emanzini, akumelanga ukuthi wenzeni uyigqokele emanzini. Moving right along, as uphiwe umthandazo umuntu othandazayo, you need to be confident in yourself and even in the visions that they show you, because of uzoboniswa ama visions amaningi, And then I know people want to consult to confirm some of the things, which is not a bad thing, but kuzomele ukuthi uzethembe ngama-visions owabonayo. Ukhuleke uzokwazi ukucacelwa. Ngiyazi ezinye izinto ziyathusa uma uboniswa zona ukuthi hayibo, why would they give me this, or why would they do this? You pray about it, uyeke ukwesaba. With other garments that I have, tomorrow mhlambe I shop with a different speaker and all of those things. Isiphika engiphiwe sona, isiphika enginikezwe sona, and ukubonisa ukuthi vele lesi siphika engiphiwe sona bekumele ukuthi ngiyisigqokele emanzini. But mabathi bayabheka in the physical space engikuso, abekho abantu abangangigqokisa lesi siphika ngoba isiphika samandla. Abekho abantu abanamandla phezu kwami ukuthi bangakwazi ukungembathisa sona. So bona-ke amakhehla amadala, amakhehla amakhulu, amakhehla amahle kanye nazo iy'ngilo sezingiphethe yizona-ke ngokwamaphupho. In the spirit, you go to the waters, fike emanzini, kukhuleke ubona ugqokiswa, unikwa. What do you do there when in your physical? You saw ukuthi uphiwe ini, ugqokise ini, i-trim yakhona beyinjani, besime kanjani. Uyahamba uyosithungisa. Masifika ezandleni zakho uyasikhulekisa, ungasifaka nje emanzini aplane, uyasikhulekisa, uyasigqoka, uyasebenzisa. And you are going to be the one who see results isikhathi masiloko lesihamba ukuthi uyitholile lento. Other people, they call themselves self-initiates because of kukhona iy'ngilosi, kukhona iy'dalwa, iy'thunywa ey'phakathi kwamakhaya wabo ezibalekelelayo, ezithunyelwe uyena umvelinqinga ukuthi mbonise ukuthi ayenze so, because of it's not everyone oya entwasweni. Even nathi thina abantu abathandaza akusithina sonke that we have to go through the process yokuthi initiator as umthandazi. I could hear abanye abantu babathandazi, and others maybe they can say they went through initiation. Well, ngumthandazi, but I've never went through an initiation. My initiation happened through visions. My initiation, my people guide me because of singabathandazi asisebenzi ngokufana. I really don't know exactly what they teach people about bathandazi if they go through the process of initiation, because of when you pray naturally uhlola ngawo umoya uthi mawukhuleka ubiza igama lomuntu uboniswe ngaloyo muntu loyo ukuthi okay, lo muntu uyinhlobo nje yomuntu, lo muntu so you literally allow ingilosi ekuphethe kube yiyona ekhulumayo, kube yiyona esebenza through you. And trust you me, mawumuntu othandaza, mawumthandazi, guys, you will have to open your heart, you will have to be a vessel so that lo moya okwembethe uzokwazi ukusebenza through you, uyeke ukwesaba. Because of trust you me, you know, mawusaba you won't be able to advise people, you won't be able to interpret things, or even if we are born, but you won't be able to explain them to the T. Because of when you explain things, the person on the other side can say yes, ngiyavuma, ngiyaboniswa, oh okay, all right, whatever that you are being shown, I'm following, I'm taking instructions. So into balulekile umthandazi or uphiwe this gift yokubona prophet, you have to stay prayerful, you have to remain prayerful. Prayer is your thing, prayer is your power. Akukho kunye okwenza, because of uthi noma usukhuleka ujulile, ukhuleka uyakubona lokho kumele ukuthi ukubone. Akudingi nokuthi uzulale khona bazokuhambulela ezinye izinto. When you sleep, it's another form abakubonisa and all of that, but uthi nje ukhuleka ucebeza, or uthi uhleli imicabango ezokufikela, or the energies that you're going to feel, amahlombe wakho kusindela amahlombe, idlebe, or most of the time it's your mood changing. When your mood just changes and you're just like what's up now? Umuntu wengilosi, umuntu wesithunywa, vele your mood swings are going to what? Fluctuate. More especially when you are getting communication, because of your body is a vessel. So the communication that you are getting It's a lot. It might be good news, it might be bad news. You might be feeling someone who they are going through the most. You might be feeling a lot of things. So into engicela yona enginxusa yona ngayo akusizonke ingubo manje ekumele ukuthi uhambe uyozigqokela kuphi emanzini. And ngoba singabathandazi akusukuthi njalo kumele siye emanzini. Mawukhuleka ngaphakathi kwekhaya lakho ngoba amandla wakho angaphakathi kuwena. Your power is within you. You close your eyes, you open your heart, you pray, you pray. Uyazinikezela. Uyabona ushintsho, uyabona izinto ezenzakalayo because into ebalekile kuyena uMvelinqangi is your heart. Inhliziyo yakho ukuthi ime kuphi. Injalo nje. Inhliziyo yakho ukuthi imephi. If ime endaweni right, you are going to see miracles. Uzobona izinto zenzakala ngaphezulu kwesimo sempilo yakho. And another thing, umuntu okhulekayo, you need to always have peace within you. Kuzomela ukuthi ukwazi ukudlulisa izinto because of you are unable to connect if kunezinye izimo ezikuhluphayo ezicindezelayo. Because of honestly, you can't go to prayer while ubalisa ngenhliziyo uloko lubalisa. I mean, ngikhuluma ngabantu abasiza abantu ngomkhuleko. Umsiza kanjani umuntu ngomkhuleko wena uloko lubalisa nawe self? How ingelo sizosebenza kanjani ngawe ukuthi nawe uyabalisa self? So try by all means to remain calm and remain clean and remain pure and just pray. Akhona vele amalanga wethu la simkhalela uMvelinqangi khona, la sithi Nkosi silwele nazi izitha zizama ukusiqeda, sikhale sithi onkosi guqula isimo sami, onkosi indlela yethu ayikho lula bakwethu, ayikho lula, but we remain prayerful. We remain prayerful. Wena oboniswayo ingubo zakho zikamoya uyazithola, uyazithungisa, uyazikhulekisa, uyazisebenzisa, and I trust you me, once you use them you are going to elevate. Uzoboniswa ezinye izinto, uzozibona nawe ukhuphuka, uyaphezulu. Abantu mabayeke lento yabo yokuthi every now and again they just want to go to the waters, every now and again they want to go to the waters, because of when usho ukuthi mawufuna ukuya emanzini ucabanga ukuthi there's just instant ngathini instant process ukuthi mawufika lapha ungena emanzini uvele wathola amandla akho already, so unamandla. Cha, everything is a process. Everything is a process. Ngiyasithola lesiphika, ngiyasigqoka, ngiyakhuleka, ngiyabona ukuthi esekucala kuba nzima, ngiyakhuleka, but all of a sudden mangiloko longikhuleka, my voice starts to change. Isalukwazi sesiyaphakama ke manje, saphakamisa. Things become better. Now your visions, or now you are able to interpret things, you are able to understand yourself. So yonke into process. Pray more than uloko ugijimisa ukuya emanzini. Ake sikhulekeni more. If vele ufuna ukuyokhuleka emahlane, it's fine, hamba ukhuleke emahlane, but you need to assess. I've said this, you need to check ukuthi mangikhuleke ehlane, mangikhuleke emanzini, what really happens? Kusebenza like kwenzakalani? Do I get more revived mangisemanzini, mangisehlane, or mangiphakathi in my own yard? Because of there are people who are saying angikwazi ukukhulekela ngaphakathi kwekhaya. It's okay, you can go outside uyokhuleka ngaphakathi, but do not forget to do your silent prayers ngaphakathi kwenu uloko lukhuleka kuyogcina yena uMvelinqangi. Sometimes uyakiyekelela ugowishe in this gift of yours, loko luya phansi phezulu, but umumethemba, he is faithful and he is going to show his faithfulness. I love you so much, guys. Akube nobumbano, nozwano, nothando ngaphakathi kwamakhaya wenu.